Let's look at this question from CAT 2018, DILR section, slot 2. There are only 4 brands of entry-level smartphones called Azra, Bici, CXZ, DQ, the country. We'll call that ABCD in our future references. Details about their market share, unit selling prices, and profitability defined as the profit as a percentage of revenue for the year 2016 are given in the table below. Okay, so on and so forth. In 2017, sales volume of entry-level smartphones grew by 40% as compared to that in 2016. 6E offered a blah 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 blah. And then you have 4 questions, and all those 4 questions have very precise options. So this is a good set to attempt in the exam because you know you will definitely reach the answer. Let's try and solve this. What is given here? In 2017, the sales volume of entry-level smartphones grew by 40% as compared to that in 2016. CXQY offered a 40% discount on its unit selling price in 2017, which resulted in 15% increase in its market share. Okay, so in 2017, this is for 2016. For 2017, let's record. I have brand, market share, unit selling price, and profitability percentage. Okay, A, B, C, and D. These are the 4 things. CXQY offered a 40% discount on its unit selling prices in 2017, which resulted in 15% increase in market share. So market share previously was 15, so now it will become 30. Okay, each of the other 3 brands lost 5% market share. So this has become 35, this has become 20, and this has become 15. Okay. However, the profitability of CXQI came down to half its value in 2016. Okay, unit selling prices here was 30,000. Profitability is here. So profit per phone, we can also get that 10%. So 1500 here. Here it will be 30% of 20,000. So 10% is 2,000. So 6,000 here. Here will be 40% of 30,000. So 12,000 here. And here 30% of 25,000, so 3 by 10, so 7,500. This will be the profit per phone here. Now profitability has come down. So for C, previously it was 40, so now it will be 20. The unit selling prices of the other 3 brands and their profitability remained the same in 2017 as they were in 2016. So profitability here remained at 10, here remained at 30, and here also remained at 30. Also, unit selling prices here remained at 15,000, here remained at 20,000, and here remained at 25,000. Okay, but CXI offered 40% discount in unit selling price. 40% discount on unit selling price. So 30,000, 40% discount will equal to 18,000. Okay, and we were also told the number of units sold have increased by 40%. So this is market share in percentage. So absolute number of phones sold I can also calculate. So if there were 100 phones here, because it has grown by 40, let it be 140 here. 140, 35%. 35% is 7 by 20. 7 by 20. So here they have sold actually 49 phones. 20%. Here they have sold 28 phones. 30%. So actual number of phones sold 42, and 15%. So actual number of phones sold 21. Fine. So now I should be able to arrive at the value of profit per phone, revenue. I can also get profit per phone here. Profit per phone, 10%. So 1500, 6,000. That remains the same. 20%. So 3,600 here. And here it will be how much? 30, so 7,500. I can also get revenue here. Let's see revenue 40 into 15,000. So I have a 60 followed by 4 zeros. 60 into 10 raised power 4. Here it will be 25 into 2, so 50 into 10 raised to the power 4. Here it will be 15 into 3, so 45 into 10 raised to the power 4. And here 25 into 2, so 50 into 10 raised to the power 4. Okay, this much I've got. Here revenue would be 49 into 15. 49 into 15 is difficult, so 735 into 10 raised to the power 3. Here it will be 28 into 2, so 560 into 10 raised to the power 3. Here will be 42 into 18. 42 into 18 is how much? 30 square minus 12 square. 30 square is 900. 900 minus 144 is 656. No, 756. It's difficult. 750. Yes, 756. 756 into 10 raised to the power 3. And here it will be 21 into 25. So 525 into 10 raised to the power 3. These numbers I can get quickly. Let's go to individual questions and see if there is something else I need to identify. The brand that had the highest revenue in 2016 is, in 2016 highest revenue was with Azra. So answer will be option 4, Azra. The brand that has the highest profit in 2016 is, highest profit would be given by market share into profitability. Okay, so profit I would have to identify. Profit, I get 40 into 15 or 10% of revenue. 10% of revenue. So 6 into 10 raised to the power 4. There will be 30% of this. 30% of this I have 10 raised to the power 4. 30% of the 50 is 15 billion. Here I will have 40% of this. 40%. So 18 into 10 raised to the power 4. Finally 30%. So 15 into 10 raised to the power 4. Okay, so highest profit will be achieved by C. So answer for question number 2 will be option 3, CXQI. The brand that had the highest profit in 2017 is, okay, I will have to find out the profit again. Profit, here it will be 10% of this, so 735 into 10 square. Here it will be 3, very difficult. 30% of this amount. Uh, let's go. 10% of this will be 56 into 10 cube. So how do I go? How do I go? So, oh, I can do this. 33 by 10. So I get 56. How do I reach it here? 560. Let me just write it down once. 560 into 10 cube into 30 by 100. So this and this cancels. This and this cancels. Okay. So I will get 56 into 3. 56 into 3 is how much? 56 into 3 is 168 into, so 1680 into 10 square. Fine. What will I get here? What will I get here? Let's see. 20% of this, 20% is 1/5. So 756 into 10 cube into 1 by 5. So I can write this as 10 square and 10 here. So I get 2 here. 756 into 2 is 1512 into 10 square. Fine. And finally I get 525 into 10 square, or 10 square into 300 by 100. 10 I have transferred. 00 cancel. 525 into 3 is 1575 into 10 square. So the maximum profit will be for B. in 2017? So answer is option B. The complete list of brands whose profits went up in 2017 from 2016 is. Okay, profit has to go up. For A, previously the profit was 600 into 10 square, now it is 735. So this will get counted. Here you had 1500 into 10 square has gone to 1680 into 10 square. So this will be counted. CXQY, it was 1800 into 10 square previously, now it is 1512. So this will not be counted. And dip Q, it was 1500 into 10 square has gone up to 1575. So this will also get counted. So the answer to question number 4 will be option 4, Azra Biswi Dipki. You can also maybe reach this conclusion. If only one brand is supposed to lose, is not supposed to have its profits go up based on the options, which brands profits will go down? If only one brand's profits are going down, which brands will profits go down? The brand that has started offering discounts, the brand that has started offering discounts. So you can anyway eliminate all options that have CXQI, and you'll be left with option 4 only, and that should be your final answer. A simple enough DI question. Recording data here in an orderly fashion is important, and being comfortable with numbers, knowing how to multiply, divide stuff will lead you to the answer quickly.